Hey everybody, Miss Yo-Yo back to say Joann's clearance. What? And Happy Planet clearance. What? And more clearance. What? And new Happy Planet. What? Let's go. Girls. Miss Yo-Yo almost slipped up on her J-O-B. Almost slipped, let a clearance sale pass her by at Joann. Now you know that ain't right. You know I ain't right. As my mama would say, self, you just ain't doing right by the peoples, okay? You ain't doing right by the people, but I'm finna make it up right now because we got a clearance sale going on here. Then we're gonna go. Also, we got new Miss Maker in the house, so we're gonna take and see what's new over there. But there's plenty of clearances. I got sticker books for us to look at down the road here. New sticker books, okay? I'm gonna take you back there and flip through the old sticker books, but here we go. Let's get started with what's going on at Miss Maker from Happy Planner. Now, Joann's has got you stocked with the latest Happy Planner Miss Maker relaunch. They got the accessory kits. They got the sticker books, okay? They got the minis. And these Happy Planner mini planners, they start in January of 2024. These are 12-month planners. Then there it is, dashboard layout. For the dashboard layout for the Miss Makers that started in January of 2024, Happy Planners got it stocked up here at Joann's for their girls, okay? Which are my girls. And the Miss Maker checklist layout, they've got that, and also just a notebook there. But let me just tell you right now, let's get to the what we came for. We came for the clearance sale. We all come for the clearance sale, okay? Now, let me just tell you, don't get caught up. Don't get caught up on the sale and the clearances just in these planner aisles, because there is more clearances usually in a clearance area in my store in the back. And you know what? Both the stores I went to, they're both in the back, okay? But ask someone. You better ask somebody, okay? Hey, is there more clearances and where is it at? Okay, because I'm going to tell you there's more clearances to see at every Joann, not just in the aisles, but somewhere else. And let me just tell you, Miss Yo-Yo got more for you to see. I got some new sticker books that I found, not just Miss Baker, but some other sticker books I found that I hadn't seen before that were new. And we're going to do a little flip through of those in a minute. Now, for those of you who missed last week's video, and I don't know why you did, but last week I had my Walmart clearance sale video. Please check that out in the playlist. And in addition, if there's anything else you're looking for from Hobby Lobby, from Target, Miss Yo-Yo got you covered 10 ways to Sunday in the playlist. Now, this is where Miss Yo-Yo hit the mother load on these covered, deluxe covered, and the big size covers from Happy Planner on these work life planners. You can buy just the covers now. And let me just tell you, ooh, girl, Miss Yo-Yo got a deal on Need Beauty. After she went in there and worked those coupons and it was on sale, girl got the big size. I think I got it for like $13, and I think I got the small one for the classic size for like $9. Who did it? I did it. Now, I'm going to tell you, these are on clearance. They've got a lot of things on the planner aisles, on the papercraft aisles on clearance right now. Now, I did talk to a manager at the store by my office in St. Pete. Now, they were having that 25 additional off. They took it down. They put it back up. He said that it will go up and down. They're trying to move this stuff. They're trying to move it. If it's not moving fast enough, they're going to put it back up. So just keep an eye on your store if you see that additional 25% sticker on the planner aisles in addition to the red sticker price. I'm so excited about bringing y'all the sale. Guess what I forgot? I forgot to ask you to please hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. If you're still here watching the video, the longer you watch, the more it helps me out. So please make sure you hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. Hey, and just keep watching. Thank you. Did somebody say new sticker book? Miss Yo-Yo said new sticker book. Well, they new to me, okay? I don't know if you seen them, but I ain't seen them. And most times, if I ain't seen them, my girls ain't seen them, so I like to share them with my girls, okay? So let's see what we can see. Now, I found these little sticker books at one Joann, then I went to another Joann's, I found them too. So I don't know. They new to me. So if they new to me, I'm hoping they new to you. Let me know. Now, how many of my girls done picked up some finds at these clearance sales? Leave a comment below and let me know what you found. Loving, loving, loving the colors up in here, okay? I like a good mixture of colors. And this right here, these oranges and these reds up in here, and these ombre looking things, the plant features on these boxes, digging it, digging it. Now, I'm just going to tell you right now, I believe right now these are 30% off, but 40 is my minimum. So Miss Yo-Yo is willing to hold out for the deal. And I know my girls are too. Okay, my girls, they're waiters. We'll wait together. Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait till it comes around on a clearance sale and we can work with another coupon and Miss Yo-Yo and her girls will be standing in line ready to go. But she'll know, hey, I've shown it to them already. They know what they're looking for. Now, let me ask this question because I've never asked this question before. And I just assumed something because y'all are Miss Yo-Yo girls that y'all are waiters. Are you a waiter? Will you wait till a deal comes around on something? Or will you go and say, hey, you know what? I want it 30% fine with me, 20% fine with me, no sale is fine with me. You tell me, are you a waiter for a sale or is it just me? Now, along with Happy Planner having this Miss Maker re-release, they also had a couple of Happy Planner sticker books that I had not seen before. So these are a few of these that I'm gonna do a flip through of, because Miss Yo-Yo, she like a good flip through, and she like to see what she might and might not be buying in the future if it's on clearance. Now, I am working on a video on other places to find planners, okay? Let me just tell you right now, I started on this whole excursion and I went to one place and I said, okay, I'll find like one or two, planners in here to videotape. I ended up finding, I'm not even kidding, at least like 10 different planners. I was beside myself. I said, I need to make this a video by itself, okay? I was like, oh my God, there's so many great planners here. I gotta make sure I make a whole video out of this. Forget about the original plan. I'm just gonna jump to the good part, okay? That's coming soon. Hey, question for you. When you're watching these videos, these planner videos, these shop with me videos, are you looking just to see what's out there? Are you interested in anything in particular? Are you looking to see if you missed anything? Please leave a comment below and let me know what it is you're looking for when you're watching these videos. Now on this Happy Planner, all the things sticker book, they had a smaller version of this that's like 5 sheets. I ended up buying that instead of the full sticker book. It was actually 30%. Then I actually went up there and said, oh, I'll just order it online. The girl giving it 25% off the total. So I ended up getting it for 55%. So I ended up buying a smaller version. This way I see if I like it. I don't want to commit to a whole big sticker book, but this way, I think I got it for like $3, 340 something like that. But yeah, so that's a way for you to try out sticker books before you commit to buying a full size $23 sticker book. You know what I mean? Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo back to say thank you. I appreciate your ride with me to Joann's to check out the latest finds and the latest clearances. Now, if you'd like to support me and my channel, I ask you to please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and also share me. Share me, share me. Shares are going up, and I like that, okay? If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on the all notification. That's going up too, but it could go up a little bit more. Now, if you'd like to support me in other way, check out a video over here. Leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and a girl will see y'all in. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.